All right, I'm going to show you how to take a quick photo with your GoPro Hero 10 Black. First of all, we got to turn it on. We go to the mode, hold it, it pops on. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look and see where we're at. And right now it's on video. To get to photo, there's two ways you can do it. You can push like that, or you can click on the side and find photo that way. I've got it set to basically just, the factory settings. So let's just go ahead and all we have to do is press this button here to take a picture. Bam, done. Now, if you want to look at it, you just slide it up and there's your picture. Looks pretty good, huh? And let's go back. To get back, you slide it down and now you're back to shooting photo on the settings that the factory put it at. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.